This is Unit 2, Lesson 4. This is the lesson portion. So before we dive into applying exterior angle theorem and seeing exactly why it exists and why it works, let's practice drawing some exterior angles of the polygon. So using a ruler, extend all the sides of the given polygon and identify the exterior angles. We only have one example here. We'll do the same thing for 2. 2 is worded a little differently. So take your ruler. We're going to extend the lines. So remember that an exterior angle is formed by extending one edge of the polygon adjacent to another. So if I've extended that one, I've extended this one, extended this one, I'm going to extend this one. So basically we're extending all of them. And remember that the exterior angle formed is the angle formed by the polygon and that extended side. So here is one, here is one, here is one, here's another one, and here's another one. So we've identified all the exterior angles. You could have extended these in the other direction and indicated them as well. So for number 2, we're going to extend side FG through point F to point H to create an exterior angle EFH. So again, we'll extend FG as far as you'd like. We're going to put a point H out there, and we've created an angle EFH, which is outside the given triangle, so it is an exterior angle. Okay. If EFG measures 124, find the measure of exterior angle EFH. Well, we know before this lesson that these two angles form a line. There are 2 of them, so these are a linear pair. So we haven't used any new information yet other than extending that line to draw the exterior angle. So we know that angle EFG plus angle EFH equals 180. We know that EFG is 124 plus EFH equals 180. So we find that the measure of EFH equals 56 degrees. Right, so the key piece here is to remember that interior angles, an interior angle and an exterior angle, okay, the one next to it, have to sum to 180. Okay, because they form a linear pair or they are supplementary. So the last part of this lesson before we actually apply this theorem is, why does this work for triangles? Well, we know that the sum of the angles in the triangle is 180. So if we have angle A, angle B, and angle C here, we can set those equal to 180 degrees. We know that a linear pair has a sum of 180, so we know the exterior angle plus the interior angle must add to 180 as well. And because both of these equations equal 180, we can set them equal to each other, the 2 equations. So here's my equation from the sum of the angles in a triangle. Here's my equation from the linear pairs. And if we subtract C from both sides or eliminate C, we are left with exterior angle theorem, where the remote interior angles, the sum of them, equal the measure of the exterior. Okay. And that's it for this lesson. We will go apply this in the examples to follow.